Rolling. Hey there, YouTubers. Thanks for checking out my video. This is an easy method to brew your own home brew. I ordered it off of Amazon, and it's called the True Brew Ingredient Kit. It's for 5 gallon, and it should brew after I'm done. I've only done this half dozen times, and always using a kit. I have better luck that way, and what it ends up costing is about $1.50 a bottle of beer for a very good tasting, whatever type you like. I prefer porter. It's a strong, heavy, very dark beer. And first of all, what you need is to keep everything sanitized. This happens to be called Sea Bright Cleanser. I've used it a number of times. It works very well. In the beginning, I used an old-fashioned crock, and after my second or third experiment, you might say, some bacteria got in it, and it's hard to throw away 5 gallons of what should have been beer. So I read up a little more about it, and yeah, even the directions on this kit. 3 important things. And what they say is sanitize, 1, 2, sanitize, and then 3, sanitize. Very important. This is the malt extract that we'll be using. It comes with dry malt, crisp, crushed pale chocolate, pre-milled roasted malt, and this is called East Kent Golding Hop Pellets Aroma Hop. This we put in the supplied soaking sock, and that we do it towards the end. So I've already begun, and the directions say if your drinking water, the water that you use to drink with, is good enough to drink, you can use it for your beer production. I do something, an extra step. I go ahead and I boil all of the water, even if it comes out of the tap. That's how I do it. Takes a little longer, a little more energy used, but so far so good. So that's it for now. I'll be doing some editing. I want to keep these videos roughly 5 minutes but long. What you'll need is a bottle capper. Like that. You'll need your bottle caps. I use a funnel. By the way, when you pour the water into the funnel, especially if it's still hot off the stove after you've sanitized, boiled your water, make sure that you put this in an angle. Otherwise, it'll burp. The water will go down and it'll splash, and you could get burnt. So be careful on that. So that's it for now. And next step is to add the ingredients. So we'll see you next time. Thank you. Be safe.